Oh, contract work. Does that mean that I can gain money? Find contract work. Yeah, it says extra cash. Okay. So penalty 10K. Oh no. Penalty 6K. I think that we can do that. Oh, it's not a timer. Okay, here we go. Come on, beat it. Oh, I see what I need to beat. Okay, get that down. Get it down. Get it down. You son of a gun. Oh, that was stressful. Okay, nice. We have more. Okay, let's just do more contract work, man. More contract work. More contract work. I don't think we can do that one. You know what? This is the only one that we kind of have like a chance for. So, oh wait, no, we had no chance. Oh shoot. No, dudes. Dude. No. No, please. No. Son of. Find contract work. I don't know how. Oh, so this one is 5 weeks. So this is the only one we have. I don't think we're gonna make it. No, we are. If he keeps going at this pace, we are. If he keeps going at this pace, come on, dude, come on. Okay, this game is actually really stressful. Okay, there we go, 21K. Okay, no contracts are currently available. Let's do a game report for Dead in the Evening now. It sucked. Just write that. Goodness. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Let's say Black Ops 1 and 2. No, people love Black Ops 2. I do too. What am I saying? Alright, let's just freaking... I want to wait till I have 50 so then I can make a new game engine. So instead, let's just develop a new game. We're gonna go... Oh my goodness, the TES is hard. Dude. Okay, we're gonna go PC game. What should this be called? This is gonna be Fallout Brotherhood of Bronze instead of Brotherhood of Steel. Okay, pick topic. It's gonna. Oh crap! It's Fallout. I did account for this. You know what? Fallout involves no. Okay, no. We're gonna make Doom. Yes. Okay. Mood. Pick topic. I want to do another zombies, but I really want to do another zombies. No, we won't do mood. Let's do the let's do the Mies. And not the Sims, but the Mies. Okay? The Mies. Big topic, life. Just life in general, man. It'll be a simulation game. It'll be for PC. Oh no. This is gonna be bad. Okay, so we need story quests. That's high for the Sims. Engine, gameplay, high. Press high again. Okay. Just like that. Oh my gosh. Here we go. Dialogues. Very important. Levels not so much. Artificial intelligence and dialogues are extremely important for The Sims. I'm going all out on this game, dude. This guy's gonna lose his little mind trying to make this game. Alright. Oh no. So many bugs, though. Oh, no, dude, we're not breaking any records with this game. Oh, shoot. Okay, world design. World design should be very plentiful. Sound. We're going to have lower graphics this time and higher sounds. I'm going to go for the sounds, dude. We're just going all in. I'm gonna go bankrupt. I swear. Okay, debug. Just debug the bugs. Any finishing touches? Okay. Dude, this is stressful. Okay, we broke one record. Oh, and we leveled up in just about everything. Goodness. Okay, here we go. Moment of truth. Here we go. Here we go. Release game. This game is gonna have to bring back our entire company so hard. Oh my gosh. Okay. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Yes! Nice experience. Okay. This is doing so much better than our last game. Has its moments. They shouldn't forget about level design. Quirky but good. That's better than usual, kind of sadly. Okay, engine reminder. Don't forget creating custom game engines. I know, that's why I have 50 research points. This is not selling well. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for this thing to sell a lot. Yeah, I know the TSE is amazing. Okay, let's find contract work in the meantime. Oh, it's only 3 weeks and that's 13 points. It's 5 weeks. I think I think that my guy can do this one. Yeah, I believe it in him. I think he can do this one. Yeah. All right, dude. Okay, that's selling really well. That totally did make me like have like a comeback. Okay, nice. I don't even remember what my studio. Oh yeah, Jazzy Hands Incorporated. Jazzy Hands is doing well now. Jazzy Hands is doing well. Okay. Wait just a little bit longer. Okay, sales are like kind of slowing down now. So let's do research, custom game engine. We are gonna make Super Mario. It's gonna happen. We're gonna make Super Mario, dude. We're gonna make Super Mario. Nice. Yeah, that for sure saved us. We were 30,000 in debt. Now we're 50,000 rich. So I unlocked I unlocked mono sounds, and I can now make my own engine. Okay, create custom engine. Whoa, this could be insane. Version 2, 50K. That's like all we're gonna have on this thing. There's not gonna be a save game because Super Mario, like the first one, you only had 3 lives and you could like save your game. There's not going to be a linear story, okay? You're just going to save the princess. Alright. Create a new engine. This is going to be called, platform engine. Create engine. Alright, here we go, guys. We're going to do a bit of contract work, okay? We're just going to do a bit of contract work. Oh, I don't think that we can make this one. We can try. No, come on. Go. I swear if you don't beat it. The company's done if we don't beat it. Oh my gosh, thank you. Okay, nice. Okay, I'm just gonna cut to whenever we're gonna make our new game, like right now. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Pick topic. It is gonna be about medieval. Pick genre. It's action. Adventure. Yeah, medieval times and adventure. That goes great. Pick platform. TSE. Dang, that would put me in debt. I thought I was gonna make a TSE game, man. Okay, fine. We'll make a G64 game because that's like the next best thing. Platform. Yeah, we're gonna do another platform. Game concept. Okay, we're gonna name it. Hold up. Nanook. It's Conan backwards. Nanook. Nanook the pirate. There we go. Okay, it's gonna be our new engine. Start development. This is gonna be a great game. I swear. This game is gonna blow everything else out of the water, man. Okay, so this is medieval adventure. So gameplay needs to be really good. Engine needs to be really good. Story and quests don't need to be that good because it's medieval times. Who cares? And it's adventure. I mean, like this is normal story. Just you need to go save someone. Yeah. This game. I feel like is gonna do horribly. We're not breaking any records yet. Dialogues, no. Level design, heck yes. Artificial intelligence, meh. Yeah, okay. Here we go, dude. Graphics. Yes, sounds meh. World design, definitely. Oh, I'm so worried. Wait, what? Oh no, it seems that you have some serious financial. Okay, well I kind of have to, or else I just go bankrupt. Okay, so I need to pay them back a lot within the next years, or else I'm basically just screwed for life. So, oh man, I'm so worried that this game isn't gonna do well. Nanook the Pirate. We got really good level design now, and Jackman's getting better at making games. Release game. Game review. Oh no, dude, I don't want to look. I don't want to look. I'm not looking. I'm not looking. Like my eyes are covered. My eyes are covered. I'm gonna wait till I hear the fourth thing go. Okay, not looking. Are you kidding me? 4454. That's not gonna sell well. Hush my mouth. That is gonna sell well. Whoa, dude. Oh, the Master by Sega. That's okay. That's weird. But what in the absolute? Whoa. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna wait a while for Nanook, and we're also gonna end the episode right here. And bye. I'll see you the next time you watch any of my videos.